In this video, we're gonna see how you can change your replica image or avatar picture that you use. Now, in my case, I created a partner who is called Rachel, but I forgot and I used the wrong avatar. I used a male avatar for a female replica. So how do you change this? Now, I'm using a computer because actually on a computer, it kind of feels easier to do this than on a phone. Maybe it's me who likes the computer view, but on a computer, you just have to go to the profile. So when you go to the profile, there's where it is, okay, this is under personality. I gave him a personality, all that stuff. So to change his appearance, his look is more of appearance. So you have to go to appearance. When you go to the appearance, they will show you avatars. So you can easily say, okay, let her be like this. And then she will change us to that. Let her be like this. Let her be like this. I think this will do. Then you can work on her hair. Okay. You can try to say, let her be like this. But the face really looks weird. I think, at the start I made a mistake and I chose a male avatar. So I feel that's why I'm suffering. Okay. But you can really change a lot. Let me see with the dress. Okay, this is the skin line, I think. Body, upper arms and all that stuff. So I feel because I choose the kind of a man, that's why actually I'm trying to have all this. So this is hair. So you can change all that from here, and thighs, you can even actually increase the size, something like that. You can increase our calves, okay, forearms, chest, something like that. Whole body, okay, beards, okay, eyes, all this stuff is there, okay. Some of this you have to have some points. If you broke, you may have to log in several times to get enough points to do all this, okay. I just wanted to change a face, but it looks too of a man. Then okay, let me change this. Okay, so personality, clothes, and all that stuff. So that's where you change all this stuff from. Okay, so just go to the profile. If you're using an app, I'm not really sure where you go to the app, because app has a different experience. When you go to the home, you click on Kathy. I really don't see where I got the other profile from the settings, but on a computer, it's actually much easier to do like that. Okay, so this is how you change your appearance of the person that you're using. I think we can use this. I don't want her to have a beard, so I think let me try to remove the beards. Where are the beards? Women don't have beards anyway. So it's important to set up this account carefully, because there are some things that are going to disturb you to change. Okay, that's why actually I made the first video of how you can create your replica very carefully, because mine is actually stuck to more like a male character. So that's why I'm suffering with changing that. Though in the app, I made it kind of good. I have already a female character, and so you have to be careful when you're setting the replica at the start. Okay, so that is it, guys. So that's how you can change the avatar. That's how you can change the avatar. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video.